Welcome to the installation video for the premier pop-up ironing board from Sidelines by Rev-A-Shelf. Before we begin, you will need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a level, and a tape measure. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a premier pop-up ironing board, 4 Euro screws, 4 wood screws, 6 machine screws, and a frame. Unfold the frame and place in a perpendicular position. When fully installed, the large head of the piston-like gas spring should be positioned on top. If the large head faces down, simply unscrew the 2 screws at the top and bottom of the spring and reverse it before retightening the screws. The top screw of the frame should be approximately 37.8 inches from the bottom of the floor, not the bottom of the inside of the cabinet. If using system holes, line up to the closest hole. Adjustable feet can compensate for the slight difference. If the frame aligns with the system holes in the partition, attach using the 4 Euro screws. To install on a flat surface, ensure the top screw hole is 1.5 inches back from the front edge of the partition. That same hole should be 37.8 inches from the floor. There is a slight range in height that is allowable for the frame installation. Level the frame and mark 4 hole locations with your pencil. Pre-drill the holes using your 3/32 inch bit. Align the frame over the pre-drilled holes and secure using the 4 wood screws. Next, secure the ironing board to the frame using the 6 machine screws. Extend the board out. The feet are adjustable to ensure your ironing board is properly positioned. Press the lever underneath the board to retract and fold back into its storage position. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.